Welcome everyone, all like 80 of you that watch these videos. Today we're going to be working on the fummins. Fubbed it up pretty good last time out when we went wheeling. Messed up the steering a little bit, broke the drive shaft, cracked the frame in 2 spots. What else? Taillight, mirrors. Nothing too major other than the drive shaft. Don't know exactly if I bent the new steering or what. Also need 2 batteries, wiped them out, trying to winch out of spots once I broke the rear drive shaft. Even though the truck was running, it just really drained the batteries hardcore. So today I'm going to try and make a new rear drive shaft. This is the one that came out of it. As you can see, beer canned it up and also dented it. I don't know if I did that previously, probably not. And then I picked these up off my buddy John Ritter out of Winchester. They're the same size and the same U-joints. This one is too short, so I'm going to try and chop this one up, and I think I'm going to chop this off here and then cut it here and splice it back together. So we'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, forgot I did that. That's the thing. You don't need chocks. Oh, I did that one too. Whew. So when I put this truck together, I had the drive shaft made in a local Napa. I didn't have it made, I had it shortened. Because when I installed the Cummins and the F5, got back further. The frame, the drive shaft needed to be shorter. So I got it shortened. I don't remember exactly how much. But somewhere on it on the day. But it's gonna work. And if it's really bad, I can take it to get it balanced. The general idea here is I'm going to use the truck as sort of a center, or a lathe, or whatever you want to call it. So the big thing with doing a drive shaft is you want to make sure that this is in line with the other. So, or sorry, I got it wrong. that one. So that's actually called the timing of a drive shaft, and if you do it incorrectly, it will really mess some things up. So I'm gonna try and get it centered here. Hopefully I can get it pretty close, and then I'll tack weld all this together. See how it all spins. I think right there it's gonna be pretty good. So probably what I'll do is I'll tack it together, unbolt it again, pull it out, check it, make sure the timing's correct, and then go from there. Alright, so that seems to have a pretty good rotation on it. And I think I'm going to be okay with that. So, thanks for stopping to check out the video. Been dreading doing this. I don't really know why. It didn't take too long. I welded half of it up. I'm going to hook it in the truck, get the truck running, and then put it in gear in the air and make sure it's not too wobbly or anything like that. So I'll do that. I'll get some new U-joints for it, 2 batteries, 2 shocks, fix the frame in a couple spots. Should be back on the road. So the batteries are going to be the biggest thing. And that's probably why I've been dreading doing the drive shaft, because once I do the drive shaft, it's not much holding me back from driving the truck again. We do go wheeling in it a lot, but I like to drive it on the road. It's a cool truck. It's a lot of head turns and broken necks and whatnot. So thanks for checking out the video and stopping by, and have a good one.